How to delete YouTube history and activity. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your YouTube application. After that, tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now, go to View All in the History section. Now all your watch history will appear over here. If you want to clear your watch history, simply click on the three dot over here and then select Clear Watch History. Confirm clearing watch history. After that, go to the same button and then go to Manage All History. Now, all your YouTube history will appear over here. You will also have an option to delete it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.